Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Total Health Turnaround. Have you ever considered the potential risks that could be hidden in your scented sprays and laundry products? This video highlights the chemicals in fragrance sprays, laundry detergents, fabric softeners, and dryer sheets. By the end of this video, you'll understand the potential harm these items can cause, the specific chemicals and their effects on our health, and most importantly, healthy alternatives that can still get the job done. Let's dive right in. Scented fragrance sprays like Febreze, Lysol, and others have many unnamed chemicals in them, and because the EPA does not require disclosure of their contents, we are here to share the troubling news. Let's delve into the harmful chemicals commonly found in odor-controlling sprays like Febreze and other scented sprays, as well as scented laundry detergents and dryer sheets. These products pose a potential health risk. But fear not, we're not here just to scare you. We're here to empower you with knowledge and provide healthier alternatives for you and your families to use instead. First, let's understand the chemicals in aerosol scented sprays designed to freshen the smell in your living areas. Phthalates, the sneaky fragrance carriers in many air fresheners and scented sprays, have been caught red-handed. These chemicals have been linked to hormone disruption, reproductive issues, and respiratory problems. Formaldehyde is a known carcinogen used as a preservative in some air fresheners. Prolonged exposure to formaldehyde can irritate the eyes, nose, and throat, and may even cause respiratory issues and cancer. Many scented sprays contain VOCs, or volatile organic compounds, such as benzene, toluene, and xylene, which can contribute to indoor air pollution. Long-term exposure to VOCs has been associated with respiratory problems, headaches, and even organ damage. Aerosol sprays often contain propellants like propane and butane, which can irritate the respiratory system and exacerbate respiratory conditions like asthma. Fragrances in air fresheners can contain various allergens that may trigger allergic reactions or exacerbate asthma symptoms in sensitive individuals. Exposure to these harmful chemicals through inhalation or skin contact can lead to a range of health issues, including respiratory irritation, allergic reactions, hormone disruption, or even long-term health risks like cancer. By opting for healthier alternatives, you can freshen up your home without exposing yourself or your loved ones to potentially harmful chemicals in traditional odor-controlling sprays. You can create your own air freshener using natural essential oils diluted in water. Essential oils like lavender, lemon, and eucalyptus provide pleasant scents and offer aromatherapy benefits without harmful chemicals. Baking soda is a natural odor absorber. You can sprinkle it on carpets, upholstery, or trash cans to neutralize odors without releasing harmful chemicals into the air. You can also improve your indoor air quality by opening windows and using fans to circulate fresh air. Proper ventilation helps remove odors and pollutants from your home without the need for chemical air fresheners. Certain houseplants, such as peace lilies and spider plants, can help purify indoor air by absorbing toxins and releasing oxygen. Plus, they add a touch of greenery to your space. You can place activated charcoal sachets or bags in areas prone to odors like closets or bathrooms. Activated charcoal effectively absorbs and traps odors. Now, let's shift to the harmful ingredients in laundry detergents, fabric softeners, and dryer sheets. Many laundry detergents and fabric softeners contain synthetic fragrances composed of numerous chemicals, including phthalates and VOCs. These chemicals can trigger allergic reactions, respiratory irritation, and even disrupt hormone balance. Optical brighteners are chemicals added to laundry detergents to make clothes appear brighter and whiter. However, these compounds can remain on clothes after washing and may cause skin irritation and allergic reactions in some individuals. Sodium lauryl sulfate and sodium laureth sulfate are common surfactants used in laundry detergents to create suds and remove dirt. Unfortunately, they can strip the skin of natural oils, leading to dryness, irritation, and even exacerbating conditions like eczema. Phosphates are added to laundry detergents to help soften water and improve cleaning efficiency. However, when released into the environment, phosphates can contribute to water pollution and algae bloom, harming aquatic ecosystems. Benzyl acetate is a chemical often found in fabric softeners, and it has been classified as a possible carcinogen by the International Agency for Research on Cancer. Prolonged exposure to benzyl acetate may increase the risk of cancer and cause respiratory irritation. Many dryer sheets contain fragrance and other chemicals that may trigger asthma and disrupt hormones. In one study, researchers tested 5 name-brand dryer sheets. The findings showed that dryer sheets emitted 15 endocrine-disrupting compounds and asthma-related chemicals. 2 more common pollutants from dryer sheets are acetaldehyde and benzene, also commonly found in vehicle exhaust. Exposure to these harmful chemicals through skin contact, inhalation of fumes, or absorption through skin can lead to a range of health problems, including skin irritation, allergic reactions, respiratory problems like asthma, and long-term health risks like cancer. Now, let's cover the healthier options for laundry detergent and dryer sheets. You can opt for laundry detergents from plant-based ingredients or certified organic materials. Look for products labeled as fragrance-free or scented with essential oils to avoid synthetic fragrances and potentially harmful chemicals. Consider making your own laundry detergent using simple natural ingredients like washing soda, baking soda, and Castile soap. Plenty of easy-to-follow recipes are online that are both effective and eco-friendly. You can add white vinegar to your laundry as a natural fabric softener and odor eliminator. Vinegar helps soften clothes, remove residue, and neutralize odors without leaving behind any harmful chemicals. You can replace chemical-laden dryer sheets with wool dryer balls. These reusable balls help reduce drying time, soften clothes, and eliminate static cling without the need for synthetic fragrances or fabric softeners. You can also look for plant-based or biodegradable fabric softeners free from synthetic fragrances and dyes and harsh chemicals. Alternatively, you could try adding a cup of baking soda to the rinse cycle to naturally soften clothes and neutralize odors. By choosing these healthier alternatives, you can effectively clean and freshen your laundry without exposing yourself or your family to harmful chemicals commonly found in traditional odor-controlling laundry detergents and conditioners. Before we wrap up today's video, I have a question for you. Have you ever wondered how to get started as a YouTube creator? I ask because I was lucky enough to find an amazing course that walked me through every step of the process. I went from zero to posting videos and speaking to you directly here on Total Health Turnaround in under 6 months. If this sounds appealing to you, please check out the links at the bottom of the video description below for more information. Thank you so much for watching this video today. We really do appreciate your kind support. Please share this video with someone you know who needs more information on the potential harmful effects of air freshener sprays, laundry detergents, and dryer sheets. Also, Please comment below and let us know what types of videos you'd like to see in the future. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.